What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be trying a Starbucks drink for you. So I honestly didn't know what kind of drink I wanted to try today, but I was scrolling through TikTok and I found this drink, and apparently it's called the TikTok drink. So I was like, okay, like I was really confused, and like I just saw it from like a girl who like tried it. So like I googled like TikTok Starbucks drinks, and it's actually like called the TikTok drink. I don't know why, but I figured I would go ahead and try it today. I have a free reward. That's why I'm trying it today, because I have a feeling this drink is gonna be really expensive because of what they put in it. They just like hardcore stared me down. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I'm kind of nervous, but kind of excited. So we'll see how it goes. But if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's go to Starbucks.
What can I answer you today?
Hey, I'm gonna be difficult. Is that okay?
That is totally fine.
Okay. Can I get a venti strawberry refresher with lemonade?
Definitely.
Can I get it blended, and can we add 3 scoops of every berry?
Oh my god, that's so difficult.
I know, right?
We actually are all out of the dragon fruit berries though, so that's the only one we can't put in there.
Okay.
Would you like maybe extra of the other ones? Like 4 scoops of each?
Yeah, let's do that.
Gotcha. Anything else for you?
That's it.
Alright.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Okay guys, so I have the drink. The only issue is my Starbucks didn't have one of the berries, so they just put extra of the other berries that they had in here. So I do have a feeling it's gonna taste a little different than the other drinks, but I feel like it's not gonna taste that much different just because there is 3 of every berry, so it's not gonna be like a distinct, oh, you're missing that berry. So I was like, we're gonna still go ahead and go for it because I really, really want to try it, and it sounds pretty good. A strawberry refresher is my actual go-to drink at Starbucks, but I get it without the dehydrated strawberries. And then I've tried it blended before, and that was good. And then I've tried it with lemonade before, that was good. And I tried it blended with lemonade, and that was good too. So I guess this isn't gonna be that bad. I like the color of it. I see a lot of seeds in it, and that's the part I don't like about the strawberry refresher, is they have like the seeds in them, and I don't like that because I just don't like the taste of it, and it freaks me out. It's like little particles in my drink. I don't like it. But here we have the famous TikTok drink. It's literally called the TikTok drink. I honestly really just don't understand why, but it says, according to Happy Barista on Read It, who apparently had over a dozen orders of this drink in the last month. It consists of a venti strawberry refresher, 3 scoops of strawberries, 3 scoops of blackberries, and a matching scoop of ice. And then it says, oh, I didn't need the dragon fruit berries. Oh my gosh, this is actually the TikTok drink. So the girl just added an extra scoop of the other berries. But this drink is literally what I have right here, and then it says for an extra zesty fizz, you can add lemonade. So that's what I got, the one with lemonade in it. And this is a secret menu fruity treat, and someone just made it up, and it just became a thing of TikTok drink. So I guess I got the right drink, which is super exciting. The girl just added, the one I saw added dragon fruit berries in there, but the recipe actually doesn't call for it. So that's good. Okay, so here we go. I don't know how I feel about that. It is very seedy because of all the berries in there, and very lemonade, very sour. It's very sour and seedy. All those seeds, that's what freaks me out, so I could not get this drink again. It's very, very sour. I don't know another way to describe it. I taste strawberry, so it's sour strawberry with lots of seeds. like an overwhelming amount of seeds. Wow. Yeah. I don't think personally I would get this drink again because it is so sour, so seedy. Like I said, I'm not a seedy kind of girl, so this is like a no from me. But if you really, really want to try the famous TikTok drink, I say go for it. It's always fun to try a drink once and then you don't have to get it again. It's just nice to say that you tried it, you know? But rating wise, I think I would give this a 5 out of 10 because like I said, I don't like seeds and it's very sour and I'm not really huge on sour. It said it would be sweet, but I don't taste the sweet, I taste sour more, so I don't know why that is, but it's okay. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you've tried this drink before, please tell me. Oh my god, now it's giving me like the hiccups or something. If you've tried this drink before, please tell me down below. I would love to hear your thoughts on it because I love hearing everybody else's opinion because everybody has such different tastes. I want to know what they like. So yeah, I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.